The year was 2021. COVID had the world in a tight grip, and I was just a little kid when I made the YouTube channel EK Game Development. And yeah, I was kind of an internet celebrity with my 44 subscribers. And I made such classic games as the Color Switching Cube, which we will be speedrunning today. It's a simple platformer game where you can switch between being a blue or red cube to stand on or pass through objects. You will understand when I play it. I will also have to download this speedrunning timer to get a real run, get the time. I'm kind of a professional, right? Let's get started. So this run will only be like a test run to see how long it actually takes to play it casually. So let's get started. As you might see, the game isn't looking good. It's kind of really bad. But hey, I was just a kid. Have some understanding, alright? And it's kind of really bright, so you might want to turn down your light volume. What's it called? Yeah, you understand, right? And yeah, the game is really short, as you see here. I have already reached the finish line of the first level. 32 seconds, I don't think it's too bad, but I can do better. I have already found 2 skips, which I will be doing. Look at this. Alright, here, if you instantly press the left key when you spawn in, you can grab onto the platform and just jump up to the flag, like this. Boom, boom. And here, if you double jump on this red barrier, you can get up. You can get up to the platform above, as you see here. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. Boom. It's so easy. It took me like 10 tries. It's super hard. But if I can do all of this in a run, it will be fantastic. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, second try. It's not that bad. If I just do the rest of the run pretty good, it will be fine. Oh, some fantastic gameplay here, as you see. But what did you expect? Boom. Yeah, it's going super well. This took me like 10 attempts to try. You can probably beat it. Go try. Will put a link to the game in the description. And subscribe.